First, Rabi'ul Awwal, Urus Mubarak of Ummul Mu'mineen, Sayyidatuna Juwayriyah radiyallahu ta'ala anha, the mother of the believers. Sayyidatuna Juwayriyah radiyallahu ta'ala anha was born in the vicinity of Bani al-Mustaliq tribe situated between Mecca and Medina. Sayyidatuna Juwayriyah radiyallahu ta'ala anha was a princess. In addition to this, she was counted amongst the chiefs and the heads of the tribe. The Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam bestowed her with the honor of being his wife by marrying her in the month of Sha'banul Mu'azzam in the 5th Hijri on the occasion of the Battle of Bani al-Mustaliq. She was educated and trained at the home of the Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam, which was the abode of prophethood and the cradle of knowledge. The invitation to Islam was spread through her. The dark hearts started glowing due to the light of prophethood. Her entire tribe embraced Islam. Two of her brothers, namely Amr bin Harith and Abdullah bin Harith, and one sister, namely Umrah bint Harith radiyallahu ta'ala anhum, had the honor of being companions. In addition to this, Sayyidatuna Aisha Siddiqah radiyallahu ta'ala anha said, I know of no woman who was more of a blessing to her people than Juwayriyah bint al-Harith. Her services of providing the Ummah with the treasure of ahadith are matchless. The mother of the believers, Sayyidatuna Juwayriyah radiyallahu ta'ala anha, passed away on the 1st of Rabi'ul Awwal, 32 Hijri, at the age of 65 in Madinatul Munawwarah, and her blessed shrine is situated in Jannatul Baqi. May the blessings of Allah Azza wa Jal be upon her, and may we be forgiven without accountability for her sake.
शर्फ आका की ज़ियारत का मिला, उन सहाबियात पर लाखों सलाम, उन सहाबियात पर लाखों सलाम।